Good afternoon, Mr. Schmidt. Good afternoon, Mr. Krausen. We are glad to see you again. You're welcome in our warm Uzbekistan. And we hope for successful cooperation with you in this sphere. As you know, we are one of the leading distributors in Uzbekistan. And we also want to be your exclusive distributor, not only in Uzbekistan, but also in Central Asia. What do you think about that?
Why not? Yes, very good proposal. But for the first step, we are planning to give you distribution for only Uzbekistan because we need to check whether there is a big demand for our products in other countries, including Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and others, because they have own production of such products. Continue.
First of all, I would like to ask you about the agenda of our meeting.
Okay.
We will discuss.
Today we'll have this negotiation meeting, after which we'll have lunch with you, and we'll have some surprise for you after lunch. I hope it will be good for you.
Nice to
and agenda of our meeting will be the products in which we are interested. This is plumbing, dry mixtures, thermoisolation, and soundproof products. Why we are interested in such products? Because, as you know, Uzbekistan is one of the most developing countries in Central Asia, and we have a lot of construction works, and we need high quality, I can say premium quality goods for these constructions, for buildings. As you know, we have Nest One, that's first skyscraper in Central Asia. And I want to ask about interest rate and contract duration that you can offer us.
As like our firm is a very large one in Germany, as you know. So we can offer you 15% or 10%, 10 to 50% of interest rate, and the contract was 3 years. To check whether there is a demand, as my colleague said, in the country for our products.
Yeah, I agree with you that you're also one of the best producers in this sphere, but you also should count such facts as we have also expenses on logistics, distribution, and we want 20% because to cover these expenses too. My colleague will present you some information.
Sir, I have heard your interest rate. You're offering 15%. Actually, this is not a very bad offer. And but here's the thing: we also have our costs, and such as distribution costs, marketing costs, and logistics and things like that. And if you have been in the business sphere, you know about them pretty much well. So, but what I want to say is that we have carried out the market research on construction materials that we are interested in: plumbing, thermo isolation, and dry mix and things like that. The indices show that there has been an incremental increase over the years in such products. So What I want to say is that we not only allocate and distribute your products that we get from you in the country of Uzbekistan, but around the whole Central Asia. So if you agree to 20% that we are offering, you will be well off, pretty much well off, and we will have a bright future together as business partners. Think about
Okay,
that.
I wanna add something. Okay, our company may agree for 15%, but in such case we need to share costs for logistics from your location in Germany till our warehouses in Uzbekistan, and marketing and distribution costs, because you know that this is big expenses because we are just entering the new market, and you know how it's difficult to enter the new market. And I know that you have an offer from one Uzbek company also, but they don't have such budget as we have, and they can't provide your goods through all Central Asia. We made a big research and spent a lot of money to develop a research in Central Asia and find the high demanded spheres of construction, which one goods is in high demand. And now the market in Central Asia is provided only by low quality products. So it's why we are having negotiations with you.
Yes, thank you. So, I want to add that, as you mentioned, our company is located in Germany, and German quality is considered as one of the best quality because European standards are applied, and our company is one of the biggest and experienced companies that produce the construction materials, plumbing, thermal isolation, and soundproofing, and other stuff. So why we are telling you about 15%, because it's our usual procedures. We have other partners. We are also working with other countries, including Russia, Azerbaijan, and other former Soviet Union countries. So we work in this scheme. Therefore, I think the business climate in Uzbekistan is almost identical with other former Soviet Union countries, and we think that 15% is okay for this.
Okay, are you ready in such case to share logistics and marketing
What do you think?
expenses?
I would agree to share.
To share logistics, but marketing will should be on your shoulders.
No, sir. Can I add something here? Well, we are saying that there's going to be a promising sale in the products that we will get from you in the country of Uzbekistan and around the Central Asia as a whole. So, if we share all the costs like distribution, marketing, and logistics, like the 15% that you are saying will be covered by the rocket booming sales that we're going to have, because that's going to be promising. We know about this business, and we have made a very clear analysis on how the sales are going to be played out and things like that. So based on the research, we are staying strong on 20% right now. So please, sir, take your time to think about our offer as well.
Yes, we need to think about that, but
Yeah.
I think that this is our very strong position that we will say 15%, because our quality, European quality, will be your competitive advantage over all other products that are available in our
Sir,
country.
we know that, and we are aware that European standards are being applied, and you are saying that that's why we are coming in partnership with you in the first place. But here's the thing, we also have costs, and as a business, as a startup business, we also have to make sure that we will have, reliable partners, and we will have this no cost issue and things like that.
Okay. As you know, I'm sorry, we have holding here. We are just not a one company. We have, and this is our, let's say, new direction to work as a distributor in Central Asia. That's why this also will be new market where we're investing a lot of money. That's why, if you are ready to share logistics, marketing, and distribution costs, we can agree for 15%, right?
Yes, if you are staying strong on 15%, then we are also standing strong on sharing those three costs.
Okay, as I have heard, you have a great experience also that have a holding in this country, and you are looking for high quality goods from Germany.
Yeah.
Exactly, building materials of high quality according to the European standards. And as you said, we have several offers from the Uzbek companies also, and we have alternatives. And you are interested in our goods. So, do you have any other alternatives?
Yep. Despite the fact of this contract, we have some projects and startups in Uzbekistan that we can build together. As you are also big company and producing a lot of construction materials, and you have a lot of equipment, we can also decide about our future projects that we can do here and where we can be successful. You are not working with just a small distribution company. You are working with holdings that operate in different spheres, and we can also build new companies with you in cooperation in other spheres.
Okay,
Well,
good, thank you.
that sounds interesting. I think we need to talk with our partners, talk with our other management staff, and then we will let you know about.
I'll make a notice.
Yeah,
Okay.
let you know about the results.
I think it's high time to
Yes.
go to lunch,
Yeah.
to,
Yes.
I would say, relax, because it was very, how to say, productive and a little bit nervous negotiations.
Yeah, we need to calm down a bit.
Yeah,
With
Yes.
a couple of tea, coffee. Oh.
yeah, you're right.
Yes, but overall, we are happy that we have met you guys, and
Yeah,
hopefully
thank you.
we'll have
Thanks
a good
for
business in the
warm
future.
meeting. Yeah, thank
Yes.
you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the game.
Thank
Nice
you
game,
for
nice
game, great game. Hope for future cooperations with your company
We too.
and for our prospective development, not only for distribution but also for, how to say, our new business, new factories that we are gonna build together.
Thank you very much for the
Thank you.
warm greeting. Well,
Thank
we're
you.
glad to see that you are very
Reliable
interesting-
person.
reliable and we're a trustworthy person. So we're glad to have a business with you. We
Great,
hope
to,
for
great to
the
hear that.
we hope for the future cooperation with you.
So, according to our discussion, we had discussion and we talked to our co-founders and other managers. So we decided to start a business with you to agree on our terms, which were discussed previously. And for the first step, we will provide you with exclusive dealership, and then we hope that we will organize assembly lines and other factories here in Uzbekistan, so that you will cover all the Central Asian region, so that you would export here, starting from here. So for this moment, we can come to agreement, and thank you very much.
Great.
We are very pleasant to hear
you very
that.
much.
Thank you very much. Great to have a job with you. We are very happy.
Hope for further cooperation.
Yeah, I hope it will be very successful cooperation
me too.
and will boom the
Hope so.
market of Central Asia.
Yeah.
Thank you.